Implementing keyword research. Optimizing on-page elements. Building high-quality backlinks, creating valuable content, and utilizing social media can all help improve your site's search engine ranking and attract more organic traffic.
Utilize keyword research tools to discover relevant phrases and build content around them, allowing search engines to recognize the value of your website. Use relevant and descriptive title tags, headers, and meta descriptions to clarify content to search engines, improve web page visibility, and increase user engagement. Create shareable content and reach out to relevant websites, offering quality links in exchange for positive mentions or collaborations. Monitor your backlink profile to prevent low-quality links affecting your ranking. Research trending topics in your industry and create high-quality content that grabs user attention, meets expectations, and delivers value. Optimize content for search engines and encourage social sharing to maximize visibility. Engage followers and expand your reach on social media platforms by sharing content, running campaigns, and interacting with users. Connect social media profiles to your website for added visibility.